Hello and welcome. Yesterday I got this precious florals kit from doTERRA, and to be honest, when they announced it, I thought it was an April Fool's Day joke, because Blue Lotus as an doTERRA quality essential oil, I was like, this must be an April Fool's joke, but I got it. And yesterday I smelled it, and it smells like something I have never smelled before, so I can't really describe it. It's really delicate, it's amazing. So today I'm just gonna demonstrate one of my self-care practices. And I've been teaching tapping since 2008, and I've been using tapping since 2005. So now I'm combining tapping and essential oils just for the fun of it. So I started just applying here on my third eye. It's an acupressure point, so you can start by just giving yourself, hold it gently for 5 to 20 seconds. So, well, what else is in the box? You might want to know. Well, we got neroli. These are 4 milliliter in fractionated coconut oil, so they are ready to use. Natural perfumes. I mean, this is just as good as you'll ever get in my world. I'm so pleased that they arrived in this time. So whatever oils you have, and if you don't have any oils, just do the tapping without applying any oils. But I am gonna do a round with the Blue Lotus, just because I can. So I'll just apply tip of my finger. And a tapping point here. Just gently, 5 to 20 times. Outside eyebrow. Just need. Oh man. Under the eye. A little sniff. There's a reason it's called precious florals. Wow. Yesterday I applied a bit of Blue Lotus just under my nose. It is heaven under the mouth. And here in the collarbone. Just apply a bit more. Whoa. Okay. This point, between little finger and ring finger, a few centimeters in. I'm always tapping with a few fingers. And what we call it all-inclusive. Some call it a gamut point, doesn't matter, just tap. So I prefer to hold my hand on my chest and just gently lean back. And just letting go of whatever emotions that are causing you stress, or fear, or anxiety, overwhelm, all those feelings that are really not helping you at the moment. I think it's important to go back to balance and stay centered so that you can have a clear mind and stay calm and active way that's optimal for you and your family. It smells so good. Thank you. Happy holidays. It's this kit. It's limited time only because there's not enough lotus oil to supply for a long time. So here's your chance. I'm really glad I had it. Thank you. See you later.